Just wanted to give you a very quick update on commodity market today. So I'm going to go through natural gas, gold and silver today, and we will also check crude oil. So let's quickly start with natural gas first. Right, so as per my previous videos, we are still expecting a bullish move from gas. We still expect a pullback till 4.478. So once the market reaches 4.478 from this zone, let me mark my buffer zone. So this is our buffer zone. If you want to mark on your charts, it's 4.323 goes up to 4.474. So this is our buffer zone. Once the market hit this buffer zone, I expect a bounce back towards this green zone, which is 4.796, goes up to 5.098. So at the point the market is now, this 20 EMA is now acting as a support as well. You see the market is giving this candle, green candle as well. We can also expect the bounce from this 20 EMA, but this buffer zone is a more powerful zone in my opinion. So if we have a hit of this zone and we get an engulfer candle, or sometime the market just hit and just move up, for some forex player, what I normally do, I set up buy limit order at a 50% retracement. So once we have a hit of this zone, my order gets executed from there. Just keep an eye on this zone. Once we have hit of this zone, we have a pin, but we get a pin bar from this zone or engulfer, or just a hit of this zone, there's a likely chance for the market to move up from here. Not taking any sort of sell entries until we come back below 50 EMA, until we come back below this green zone, which is 4.166. Let's check gold. So if you remember in my previous videos, we were looking to buy from this buffer zone, from this minor zone today. So right now, if you see, the gold is now at the minor level of support. So you see the market has bounced up from this zone before. Right here, say we get an engulfer entry from the zone, we take a long entries. And I said that if we get an entry reason, so we have this engulfer entry. I don't call it very strong entry reason due to this wicks here, but still we get this engulfer entry. So the market ended up pushing up towards the next level of resistance, which is also a minor level of resistance. And you see the market is now pushing down. So we can expect a push down from this zone to at least 1792. It's around like $5 to $10 trade. And from here, I will look for the next entry reason. So let's check silver. So we have a nice and perfect entry reason for silver. Silver is giving us a short signal, a sell signal from here. And if I check the volatility for silver, so I expect silver to hit at least 22,131. So that was a quick one on silver. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil, if you see, is in a very bullish trend. If you see, the crude oil is pushing higher from this engulfer entry, pushed up, entry, pushed up, breaking below the previous lows, pushed up, breaking below the previous low. And right now, this was our previous high, which has been broken right here. And I still expect to see more bullish move from crude oil, and this is our major resistance zone 91.45, which goes up to 93.05, and from where we will look for sell entries. This is our selling zone, guys, so keep an eye on this zone. Is still bullish. We can still expect moves up from followed by the pullbacks. If you want to learn these zones, how I mark these zones, you can always join my partner brokers. Links are in the description. So once you join it and deposit minimum of $500, once you join that, I will send you a weekly Forex report where I will mark these zones for you. And like that, you will learn how I mark these zones. And once the market reaches these zones, you can take a counter trade from these zones. And between these zones, as you know, we only take entries. Pullback depends if the market is above 50 or 20 EMAs. These are the very powerful zones to take counter trades. And along with that, I will send you trade ideas 1 to 3 times a week, or when we have a confirmed entry condition, I send you the trade idea where I show you the exact candlestick pattern. You also learn that. You'll also see what candlestick pattern I'm entering on the certain trade. So you also get a free indicator. It's not like a group where I send like a tons of signals. It's like more of learning and education group, so that you will become less reliable on signals, and you can take your own trading decisions. And if not, that's totally fine. Hit the like button for me. It helps me in the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new, don't forget to hit a subscribe button and join the Money Marker family. I hope you have a nice day ahead. I hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.